Let us go into meditation together, with the knowledge that we are all as one, that God is within you, Christ's power, the Holy Spirit, that you are loved and looked after, if you do the best you can at all times. And if we fall by the wayside, that we pick ourselves up, we shake off the dust and go on, asking for forgiveness and to be helped. Now, take a deep breath in. Expel it out through your mouth slowly, feeling the troubles go. And then take another breath in and think of peace, and let it go down and round your body. And do this several times. Now that we have finished our meditation, let's finish with a prayer of Infinite Beloved. Spirit, I thank you. Help my lotus petals to close. Let me stay in the divine light at all times, and my day to be spiritually guided. God bless you all.